Major Group. Today I would like to talk about what kind of job we have available right now. So first we have factory job available, machine operator job available in Hyogo Prefecture. Working hours is from 8:15 to 5:15. Salary starts from 23 a month to 25 month. And bonuses are available, and having conversational Japanese is okay, and if you can work on Excel or Word, that will be more preferential. And there are also allowances on housing, kazoku, which is family allowances, etc. So yeah, please do come to our job fair and have more detailed information about this job. On our job fair, we have job fair every day in Tokyo. In Tokyo, job fair starts at 11 a.m. on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Job interview is at 2 p.m. And on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, job fair starts at 2 and job interview is at 5 p.m. And every time you come, you can give an interview, and every time you come, you can get a yellow ticket. You can, with that yellow ticket, you can give an interview, and also there is a blue ticket. With that blue ticket, you can have a free lunch at our cafeteria. If you have any questions, please call us on 036206 8058. Thank you.